Hey everyone, welcome to CamSawFPV. I'm your host CamSaw, and today we're going to do an unboxing, first flight, and quick first impressions of the BETAFPV HD Series 4K Whoop. I got this little guy to replace the Mobula 7 HD with the Turtle Cam, which I was not liking much due to faulty mechanic, not the drone itself. Wow, okay. Yeah, this is definitely bigger than I expected. Cool, nice solid plastic, carbon fiber underside. Some weird cover over the camera. What the hell is that thing? Nice solid antenna. Yes, does not look like it'll come off. That's good. Solid construction is always a good indicator of quality control. Jeez, eh? Full size RX, I guess, but feels kind of flimsy there. Might want to do something about that. The XT30 plug, always good. Nice, solid, strong battery strap. Overall, yeah, this feels like a quality product. I like it. We'll bind it, take it out for a test flight, and then I'll let you know what I really think about it. Okay, so we're going to be looking at some DVR footage. Reason is twofold. On the one hand, well, it's good for you to see what it actually looks like. It's actually very impressive. The FPV feed looks great. Second reason is I lost the SD card in a crash. It ejected, and I know it ejected because, well, when I went to put another one back in, I had to double latch it or whatever. The spring was already deployed. So, and the crash was not that bad. So when you crash, have a look, make sure your SD card is indeed in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now things are getting real. This little bastard flies like total shit. Like, it seems to have a mind of its own. It's the most frustrating thing I've ever flown in my life. I have another Whoop that has a similar flight characteristic. I mean, when using acro. So, couldn't find anybody doing this online, but you can bet your ass I'm trying it. I ordered myself another frame in case this just does not work out. But I figured it was worth a shot. The underside is a carbon frame, and the outside is a plastic bumper thing. So what we're going to see is how it actually goes without the plastic. Well, most of the plastic. All right, stay tuned. So 144 with the battery, 90 grams without the battery. With my modification, we're at 139, so minus 5 grams. And 85. So we'll remove 5 grams by removing those things, and we'll see if that also increases its flight characteristics. All right, let's go check that out. All right, so there you have it. This is a flight footage without the prop guards cut off. As you can see, it's totally different. There's no more jello. It no longer, well, seems to have a mind of its own. It now goes in the direction you want, and it flies as you would hope and expect it to. Once you cut off those prop guards, it's a viable acro cinewhoop. Before, with the prop guards, 3 out of 5. It was horrible, jittery, jello, mind of its own, did all kinds of weird maneuvers. Cut those things off, and yeah, it's quite amazing. I'm very much enjoying it. 5 out of 5. Great experience. The coming days and weeks will mostly be about figuring out how to optimize the CADX Tarsier because, well, I don't quite have the proper settings right now. First thing you're going to want to do, by the way, is go into the app and put a high bit rate. For some reason, they have it on medium. You want to put it on high. After that, well, I currently have an ISO of 800 with the ND8 filter. Not ideal, but pretty decent. We'll see how I modify it in the days and weeks ahead. Wow, just incredible, isn't it? I was actually considering taking this little guy apart and using his parts somewhere else just because the experience was so bad. Now, with that modification, gotta say, I am loving the way it's handling. 4K cinewhoop, 5 grams lighter, with acro capabilities. Here it is, guys. Just do yourself a favor, cut those guards, buy yourself a second frame if you want to use guards indoors, but probably even indoors. I mean, just disarm, who cares? Relax. This is the way this guy's supposed to be flown. Enjoy. You're welcome.